So in this 2-minute tech tip, I wanted to make sure you're aware of a kind of new, within the last few weeks here, feature that's built into Google Meet. Last week I sent out an email and let you know about some new tools that are available because of having the Enterprise edition of Meet, which you can see those right here. If I click on that, you can see that we now have breakout rooms, polls, and Q&A. This time, though, what I'm talking about is if you come down here to the bottom bar and you click on the three dots, right up at the top it says whiteboard, open a jam. Now, before I do that, let me tell you, I do have a fake test student account logged in to this Google Meet also, just so you can see what happens when there's somebody else in the Meet. So if I click on whiteboard, it asks me, do I want to start a new whiteboard or choose one from Drive? I'm going to click on start a new whiteboard. And it's going to say, okay, there's already a student in this Meet. There's somebody else in the Meet. What do you want to do? Do you want to share it with them or not give them access? I'm just going to go ahead and hit send. So now what I have is an interactive whiteboard here that I can write on, change colors, all that kind of stuff. Same kind of things that you would do like on a smartboard in some senses. And I could, if I came down here, I could hit present now and do share my screen and show them what I'm doing. But because it's a shared document on their end, what they can do is they can open the document up and you'll actually see, and the students will see on their end if they come down to the bottom bar and I click on this. If I go to attachments, you can see there are actually two of them because I tested one out earlier. But they could just click on that and they would actually be able to open it up. And as I'm writing on it, they would be able to see that writing. I could open it up to be collaborative and let them write on it too. So kind of a handy feature. One thing to be aware of is if anybody joins the meeting after you've created it and shared it out, you will need to share that with them separately. They don't already have access to it. So you would just need to click on share and then you would need to click on or put their names in there to give them access. Or the other alternative is on their end, if they click down here and where the attachments are, they can click on this. But instead of just opening up, it'll actually say that they need to request access, which they could do. I would just then need to go to my Gmail and click the button to allow them access. So anyway, I hope that feature is something that some of you find useful.